Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign in or log into your Flybuys account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to Flybuys. Then you can see the sign in option. If you don't have an account yet, you can join Flybuys now. We have an account in Flybuys, so I'm going to teach you how you can sign into it. Go ahead and click on sign in, which is over here. Now you can sign in using your email address, your Flybuys number or your username. So if you remember any of these, you can just go ahead and type in on. After you have written down your email address or your Flybuys number or your username, go ahead and go to the password section and write down your password. Make sure that the password is correct by clicking on this show icon over here. After you've written down your email address, Flybuys number or the username and password, you can click on remember me, then click on sign in. After you click sign in, you will be signed in to your Flybuys account. If in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to reset your password, and if you are not being able to log in, you can click on this. So this is how easy it is to sign in to your Flybuys account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.